I'm Dr. Priyan Gupta, urologist, practicing for more than 25 years in city Chandigarh and running my own PN Urology and Surgical Hospital in Sector 40, Chandigarh. Since I'm dealing mostly with geriatric patients especially with the prostate problem, and in this pandemic COVID-19, where the coronavirus is pandemic throughout the world and it is affecting mostly on the high risk patient are more than 60 years of age. The prostate problem is also prevalent after the age of 60, may go up to the 85 or 90 years of age. So my whole idea to talk about how we can maintain the prostate health, especially in this lockdown period. Since prostate enlargement is not a disease, is an aging process, and it gets enlarged after the age of 45, and patient might get symptoms at the age of 60 or 65 or 70 onwards. So how we come across the problems and we overcome the problem. The problem of prostate is like symptoms of prostate like frequency of urine, urgency, and patient has to get up number of times in the night, or he might have problem of passing urine, he may strain or weak stream of the urine. So the topic of telling you in the lockdown period how we can avoid to go to the urologist and to save ourselves. If we change our lifestyle, mode of change in our lifestyle, we can avoid consultation to the urologist. So I would request my all geriatric old patients, they should reduce water intake. They should not take extra water or excess amount of liquid in the lockdown period, as is a myth. One should take more water so as flushing the kidney. No. Here I will condemn people of prostate problems. They should not take more water. The fluid intake has to be curtailed. Number one. Number two, if they are suffering with diabetes or blood pressure, because it is a comorbidity in prostate as well as in COVID-19 or coronavirus also. So the diabetes must be under control, the blood pressure must be under control. You should take early dinner so as you may not get up number of times for urination in the night. Besides this, you should try to avoid alcohol, and at all if one is addicted to alcohol, then 1 glass of red wine may be allowed. Besides this change in our lifestyle modification, I would request my all geriatric patients who are suffering with prostate, they should avoid anti-allergics and cough syrup. The cough syrup and anti-allergic medication always precipitate urinary trouble. So as we may save ourselves going to the doctor, and whenever the lockdown finishes, you may go and consult them. Thank you very much.